AI agents are transforming software, automating tasks, making decisions, even learning from the outcomes. But here's the big question. Should agentic AI be expensive? Today, we'll break down how costs really stack up and when, if ever, expensive is justified. We will look into different approaches using huge foundation models, leaner small language models, and modular orchestration models. By the end, you will understand how to balance performance, cost, and strategy. So let's go. Here's the paradox. On one hand, per call AI costs are dropping. Faster hardware, optimized models, and scale are driving prices down. On the other, agentic workflows chain many calls together. Perception, reasoning, tool access, memory. So the total cost per outcome can skyrocket. So while a single model call may seem cheap, the full agentic operation that completes a business task often ends up expensive. Let's start with foundation model. These are powerful general purpose models like GPT-4 or Claude, capable of wide-ranging reasoning. They are fantastic for flexibility and open-ended understanding, but they are expensive. High compute usage, costly inference, and limited fine-tuning options. When used heavily in an agentic chain, every single step adds to the cost. If an agent needs multiple API calls or sequential reasoning, you pay that price again and again and again. Enter small language models. Recent research argues small language models are not just cheaper, they are the more sustainable option for agentic system. And here is why. They are optimized for narrow repetitive tasks. They can run faster and cost less, up to 10 to 30 times cheaper and faster than large language models. In many cases, they provide comparable task accuracy for workflows like tool calling, instruction following, and structured reasoning. With agentic AI, you often have modular tasks. Small language models let you tailor compute to that need. Use big models only when you absolutely need them. Third approach, modular orchestration models. Think of them as agent managers, routing subtasks intelligently between small language and foundation models. Some systems employ hybrid schedulers that decide where each step should run, locally, in the cloud, or a specific model. Now, why does this matter? A, you offload as much as you can onto cheaper small language models. B, you reserve the expensive models only for complexity. Systems like plan caching reuse workflows to reduce repeated computation, cutting costs by up to 47% per task. Other designs trade only a small accuracy drop for significant cost savings, like a 28% drop in operational cost. And edge or cloud orchestration can shift almost 45% of workload to local small language models while maintaining high accuracy. Orchestration models help scale agentic systems without breaking bank. Now, there are times when you might actually choose burning foundation models only when tasks require deep reasoning or general understanding. Flexibility outweighs the cost. The business value justifies the bill, obviously. But for routine workflows, things like summaries, simple decisions, repeated API calls, small language models, or orchestration are smarter bets. Here is a simplified decision chart. For open-ended reasoning, use foundation models. For repetitive rule-based, use small language model. For hybrid multi-step chaining, orchestration models. The goal is not just cheaper AI, it is strategically priced AI. Always ask what agentic tasks are high value versus routine. Can workflow be modularized? Where is your cost performance sweet spot? Agentic AI does not have to be costly. By aligning models to tasks and using smart orchestration, you create systems that are both effective and economical. Stay tactical, start modular, and scale responsibly. My name is Akhil. This is the Agentic AI series, and now you are thinking like a pricing strategist. Next up, we'll explore how Agentic AI delivers measurable ROI in B2B software. See you soon.